Nestled in the lush, rolling hills of County Kilkenny near the village of Thomastown stands Jerpoint Abbey, one of the most complete and architecturally stunning Cistercian ruins in Ireland. To walk through its arches is to step back into a world of medieval devotion, architectural mastery, and the quiet rhythm of monastic life. The foundation, 1180 AD. The story begins in the late 12th century. While the exact date is debated, Jerpoint it was established for the Benedictine order, but quickly transitioned to the Cistercians, often called the White Monks, due to their undyed habits. The Cistercians sought solitude and self-sufficiency. They chose this site near the river Little Arrigal because it offered everything they needed: fertile land for farming, water for milling, and stone for building a monument to God. Architectural grandeur. Jerpoint is a masterclass in the transition from Romanesque to Gothic architecture. The chancel and transepts. These represent the oldest parts of the abbey, featuring the rounded arches and sturdy pillars characteristic of the Irish Romanesque style. The tower. Dominating the skyline is the massive 15th century crossing tower. Unlike the earlier, simpler structures, this addition reflected the growing wealth and prestige of the abbey in the later Middle Ages. The cloister. This is Jerpoint's crowning jewel. Rebuilt in the late 14th century, the Cloister Arcade is famous for its unique stone carvings. Look closely at the pillars and you'll see a medieval who's who: knights in armor, ladies in fine dress, saints, and even mythical creatures. These aren't just decorations, they are a frozen record of the society that surrounded the abbey. Life behind the walls. For centuries, the air here was filled with the sound of Gregorian chant. The monks followed the rule of Saint Benedict, dividing their day into prayer and work. They were master farmers and innovators, managing vast estates that fueled the local economy. However, life wasn't always peaceful. Being located in the heart of the Anglo-Norman lordship of Leinster, Jerpoint often found itself caught in the middle of political power struggles between local Gaelic lords and the invading Normans. The dissolution and legacy. The prayers fell silent in 1541 during the dissolution of the monasteries under King Henry VIII. The abbey's lands were confiscated and eventually granted to the Earls of Ormond. While the roof eventually collapsed and the monks departed, the structure remained remarkably intact, avoided the total destruction that befell many other sites. Today, Jerpoint is more than just a ruin. It is a national monument. It serves as a hauntingly beautiful reminder of Ireland's spiritual past. Visitors can still see the tomb of Felix O'Doolan, the first abbot, and the legendary weepers carved into the tomb chests, figures that seem to mourn the passing of an era.